In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in CapCut PC. If you want to add a high-energy intro, polished text graphics, or more advanced transitions to your project without spending a lot of time editing everything manually, templates are one of the easiest tools you can use. CapCut on PC includes a large cloud-based library of ready-made editing layouts, and they can help you build a more professional-looking video in just a few clicks. To get started, move your cursor to the top left area of the CapCut interface, where the main workspace menu is located. From there, click on the Templates tab. This opens the template library, which gives you access to a wide range of built-in editing styles. These templates are designed to handle timing, motion, text effects, and transitions for you, which is especially helpful if you want faster results or need inspiration for your project structure. Once you're inside the Templates section, go to the search field near the top of the panel. Click in the box, type a keyword that matches the kind of look you want, such as intro or minimal, and then press Enter. This helps narrow down the available options so you can find something that fits your video more quickly. As you browse, scroll through the grid of template cards and look at the thumbnail previews. When you find a style you like, click the thumbnail once. CapCut will load that template's pre-timed timeline structure directly into your workspace, so you can start customizing it. Next, it's time to replace the sample content with your own footage. Look down at the timeline area, where the template is organized into placeholder sections. These placeholders show you exactly where your media needs to go. Find the first video slot, then click the blue Replace button on that block. A file selection window will open, allowing you to choose your own clip from your computer. Select the clip you want to use, then click Confirm. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically inserts your footage into the template. It adjusts the timing and places your video into the layout while keeping the template's text animation, transitions, and effects in place. This is what makes templates so useful. You get a structured, professionally styled result without having to build every element from scratch. And that's it. By opening the template library, searching for a style, selecting a design, and replacing the placeholder media with your own clip, you can create a polished edit in just a few quick steps. You're all set. Done.